We're going to Walmart. We're going to Wally World.
We're going to Wally World.
We're going to Walmart again. So maybe we should tell them what we're doing, Mom.
Yeah.
She's not so glad about that. So
Why? Why is slime trending right now? I just can't stand it. Why is it trending? There's nothing I like about slime. It's slimy. It's in the word. It's in the name. Slimy.
Everyone in the comments is saying boo right now.
Slime.
I don't know what she's talking about.
Oh, I don't know if I'm even. Who am I? We're on the causeway. Wait, check this out. This is the causeway. Don't look at the spots on my window. But we live on an island. In order to get to the island without using a boat, we have a causeway. They built a man-made causeway, and it's a really long road with lots of bridges. And
3 bridges.
3 bridges. And so the only way we can get to mainland is on the causeway. And that's where we're on right now to go to Wally World. But first, we're going to eat. We're meeting Dad.
Where are we eating?
That Greek place we like.
What great place?
The Sunflower Cafe.
Oh, no, Sunflower.
Yeah. So anyway, so we'll talk to you later. After we eat, we're going to go to do a little filming to get the supplies at Wally World. So we'll talk to you then.
Slime, this is the best.
Slime is the worst.
Wait, no.
No, I gotta go. We gotta go.
Everyone,
we gotta
if you
go.
like slime, then put a heart emoji in the comments.
Okay, yeah, don't. Stop. Okay, we're at Wally World. We're about to go in.
Yay!
My video keeps stopping because people keep calling me and it cuts the video.
Yeah.
But we're here. We're about to go in and get our stuff.
Slime!
Yuck. All right, we'll see you in there. Bye.
Wait, no, don't say bye. We're gonna walk in there with them.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes. They want to come with us.
Okay, we're walking in. I don't know why we have to have a video of us walking in. Why we can't just walk in. But
No, we have to walk in.
okay.
Okay, so I'm excited.
Have you ever seen anyone walk in a store before?
Yeah. Zoom.
Is this exciting to watch?
Yeah. Look, there's people walking in all around us.
That's so exciting.
Yeah. Very.
Okay.
Yeah, not
Let
exciting.
me take it.
Let's get a small. Hey, let's get that little one there.
Little cart.
That little one.
Yes.
Oh, forget it. She took it.
Thief!
Oh, maybe there's another one.
Yeah.
Are you still videoing?
Yeah.
Yeah, she literally stole it from us.
Food.
That's
Food.
just not good.
Let's look over here. I think there might be a little one over here.
Where are we going?
Oh.
We can take a big one. They're gonna mind a big
She
one.
heard me say I was going to get that little one. Hi.
Hi.
Yeah, sorry, I just don't let
Trying
things
She
to
go.
ran in front of us and took it.
Trying to ruin the video.
She did.
I know this.
Did you see her do
it? No, I didn't get caught on camera. I don't think so. So we were talking right in front of her, like, oh yeah, we're gonna use that small one to get like all the materials in it.
I'm getting personal items too. I don't want that on video. That's our own personal items.
Our
okay?
personalness.
So,
But first, we're gonna go and see what they have here.
okay. So stop it, because we're gonna get a couple personal items, and then we'll start again.
Wink,
AKA
We're in
wink.
the food part.
fruit. Lots of fruit and vegetables.
We're
Okay.
getting, yeah.
Yep, fruit and
Okay,
vegetables.
see you later.
That's it. Only fruit and
We
vegetables.
are here.
I don't know what ingredients we need, so you need to tell me where to go.
Okay,
We
Mom.
got our.
We need to go in the craft section.
Okay, that's down here.
It's, I don't know.
I know the craft section.
Alright.
Don't video my cart.
Personal stuff.
Personal items. Don't video that.
Why not? Personal. My picked out that one. Oh, or this one. This one's the same. Just choosing. Can I see? No, I can't.
This is marble.
Exactly. I chose that one too. Oh, look, cameras and phone cases. Okay, we can't do this. We're trying to look for slime. Mom, you need this. Mom, you need this. Well, not in this color, but color fades. This is so. I love this. Okay, I'm coming. Now it's me getting distracted.
Okay, here's crafts. So what do we need?
Okay, this is something right here, but we aren't gonna use that because we're making original. Here, come to this section. Woo! Can you guys see that? It's so cool.
Yay, slime
Okay.
ingredients.
So we kind of want to make our slime.
This is glow.
Yeah, I actually have a kit of that. So probably what we need is
Here's a color one.
yeah, but that's.
Glow.
We aren't doing like those.
Color
We're gonna make our
changing.
own.
Okay.
Okay. So these are all the things that we need to make our own. Mom, you can choose your first colors that you want. That one, this is broken. This is broken. She wants that blue right there. I think that's the only thing that's gonna show. So that, and do you want white glue or like clear glue? I'm gonna go with clear glue because clear glue is my love. There's a small bottle of it. Clear glue. So this is my mom's choice. And my choice is probably gonna be, oh, and we need slime activator, so just put that in there. My choice is probably gonna be I like this metallic color.
Freeze
Should I
frame.
do my slime like this? If you don't know already, me and my mom like blue colors. This color I like.
Need that
and then I'll
blue,
have
turquoise,
clear glue, even though it's probably not going to show. And we need
teal.
some more ingredients if we want to make our slime perfect, which my mom doesn't know. All my mom thinks is all we need is this. But if we want to make our slime very perfect, then we need, what's that? Confetti?
Slime activator's confetti.
Oh,
Slime activator glow.
slime activator
Metallic.
metallic. And magic liquid. Add to
Okay.
Elmer's blue. Baking soda.
I like the metallic.
No. Ooh, Mom, let's get all of them. I need
How
them.
much are they? They're like $6 each, honey. Let's just get one.
Can we get, okay, we need this.
Confetti and metallic.
Wait, and we need normal. I'm sorry, but wait, no. This is a small one of the normal.
Okay, so let's get
So we don't.
small
Yeah,
ones.
we need to work on our filming.
And then there's one
So-
more thing that we need.
We're
I'm
filming the
sorry,
ceiling.
but
We'll get better.
what is this? Oh, well, this is a lot. But we need mixing things. Like, see those foam beads?
And
we need
yeah, I'm
those.
seeing a lot of Sophia's neck.
You don't fancy anything.
I mean, peanut
Behind the
butter.
scenes magic.
I have stuff at my studio at my townhouse, so
Okay.
beads and stuff and like shiny things to put in it. Is that what you're talking
Yes, I have a whole
Yeah.
craft studio full of wonderful craft things.
Okay, let's look at the
Beads
other
and
aisles.
glitter, glue.
Also,
You name
we
it.
need some more stuff. That's not all.
You name it, I have it.
I don't know if there's anything in there. Let me check.
Beads are
Oh, there's foam beads.
there they go.
Oh my gosh. Yes, this is perfect. Okay, so do you want white ones and these ones?
White ones. I want white ones.
Should we get these or no?
Sure.
Okay, we're gonna get rainbow and white. And should we grab anything? We need one more thing, and I don't know exactly where it is.
What are you looking for?
Okay, it's not any glue or anything. It's a special ingredient to making slime, like clay kind of thing. It's not like clay, but it's like
what's that called?
it's like, you know what Nina and like the birds have? They like that thing that they put in it to get
Nina,
that
you're
color.
gonna be famous.
We need it, but like white. I'm pretty sure it's back here somewhere. Sorry. It's like, where is it? We don't have it. Do they have it? There's glitter. I want glitter. Glitter looks nice. You guys can see. Where are they? Can't find any. Where is it? You guys are like, what is she looking for? It's a secret, so I can't tell you. But I don't know what the name's called also.
It's so secret, even peanut butter doesn't know.
I can't find them. You guys are like, what is she looking for?
She doesn't even know.
And my mom's over there getting confused. And we have glitter at home.
Tons of
We
glitter.
need foam. Foamy foam. I can't find it. Guys, this really sucks. I'm going in the aisle, not my mom. And she's on the outside. Alright, guys. I'm not breaking. I just saw air dry glue, but that's not gonna do anything.
Peanut butter, you're making me very dizzy with your videoing. I need to.
I don't know if you guys are gonna like. Okay. Ugh. I'm looking at stuff. Can't really find anything. I'm going in the aisle. I'm just trying to find anything I can. Now I'm talking a little louder. Because I'm not embarrassing myself. I'm on myself. Okay. It's nowhere. Oh, just bees. Can you see this? Oh, my mouth's gone. Did you just... Mom. Right here.
We should charge for this roller coaster ride.
No, we didn't. There's this ingredient, and I just...
You gotta know what it is before we go shopping.
No, I know, but I forget what the name is.
That's pretty important.
Yeah, it is. I'm pretty sure we're not gonna
Note
find
to
it,
self.
but I did find something.
Before you go shopping, know what you're shopping for. That's very important.
Okay. Guys, we are gonna be right back. See you in a sec.